Hi Edwin, how are you? I have been working on several jobs since I am here in Bogota. I am interested in other things. If I knew help and if I had grown, you were here. I would can you right away. If I had investigated more about this, I would have worked in Paris. I think I made a good choice when I decided to search more information about the amazing Eiffel Tower. I tell you to tell what's I tell you that our experience it began out in 1997. I just booked 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days. I knew New Mac box station was using a Mac box system for Scout. Yeah, it does that snowball tongue on the job of the magnific. I wish I had been in the wall investigating. It was amazing. The construction one especially complex because I was an usual area. It was necessary to do this below the water table until reach. If I were on, I had grown what to do. The foundation was secured for 5 months. It's considered of a bin of company gravel, several meters deep, on which large stone blocks were built on top of the block on which 4 pillars of the tower were anchored. In fact, in the Eiffel Tower we see the resisting to wind and its variation. The basic aspect of aesthetics in the functionality of its design and the beauty of the structure. Not much. My research were more about the construction part. If I had uh, you Yes, I have. I was a beautiful place. I was enchanted. Lighting not much until the technology improved. Surrounding projects tour on 10 minutes. A sensor inside